colors. With blue and yellow. With blue and yellow. Then it will make green. That's green. We're gonna stir it. Okay. Stir it up, very good. Okay. This is baking soda. This is baking soda. And we're gonna mix it. This is stuff for your eyes. This is stuff for your eyes. That's cool. It smells good. Okay, let's get to stir. Okay, now stir. After me, after me. I got big skin. Ew, it's so slimy.